Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Vivan Education. Yesterday we discussed about construction of quadrilaterals. In that topic we covered definition of a quadrilateral and what is its sides, angles and diagonals first. Then we discussed about properties of quadrilaterals, different types of quadrilaterals and their properties, and how to construct a quadrilateral with sides when given different sides. In that yesterday we completed when given 4 sides and 1 angle. So exercise 3.1 is total about that one only. Given 4 sides and 1 included angle. So today we are going to discuss about second topic is when given 4 sides and a diagonal, nothing but side, side, side and D. So this is about exercise 2, nothing but 3.2. So yesterday we completed the total first exercise, right? That's now today we'll start with the exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. So property what's the rule is side, 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 side and a diagonal. When given 4 sides and a diagonal, how will you construct a quadrilateral? We'll see now. Okay. So in that first question. So first question is about construct a quadrilateral ABCD with side AB is equals to 4.5, BC 5.5, CD 4, AD 6 and AC 7 centimeters. So with these measurements we had to construct the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So we'll start this one. So take compass, ruler, master. So now here only we need to do the arcs. Here no angle is right. So first one is A. Before going to construct this one, we had to draw a rough sketch for this one. So first what is there here? ABCD is there, right? So first take a base as AB. How much given? AB is 4.5 centimeters. Then B to C is 5.5 centimeters. This C and given diagonal is what? A to C is 7 centimeters. Then C to D is given as 4 centimeters and last A to D is given as 6 centimeters. Yes, we constructed a rough sketch first. So this is mandatory. So based on this figure, we have to construct a quadrilateral now. Okay, come on. Now what is given first? We'll take a base as 4.5 centimeters. So with the help of ruler, we'll take a line segment first AB as 4.5 centimeters. So AB is 4.5 centimeters. Now, so AB is completed. Now BC given as how much? 5.5 centimeters. So measure with the compass and the ruler. BC line segment length how much given? 5.5 centimeters. Measure 5.5 centimeters. Okay. Now taking B as a center, taking 5.5 centimeters radius, I am drawing a arc. Drawn a arc. So it is the length of BC. And next what is given? Diagonal given. Diagonal what is there here? AC is a diagonal. How much length given? 7 centimeters. So now we had to construct a diagonal AC first. So AC length given as 7 centimeters. Now again taking 7 centimeters as radius. Yes. Now AC, right? Now taking A as a center with a 7 centimeters radius. So we are going to cut the previous arc. Okay. So taking A as a center, cutting the previous arc. Now we got the intersecting point right here. Now AB, this intersecting point is what? Now C. Okay. Now I am joining B to C and A to C. See, this is what? 5.5 centimeters BC. 5.5 centimeters and diagonal AC length what is it? 7 centimeters is it. 7 is 7 centimeters. So now what is the remaining? CD and AD. Okay. Now see what is the length given here as CD? CD given as how much? 4 centimeters. So take a measure of line segment length 4 centimeters. Now with the help of center C, drawing a arc as how much radius? 4 centimeters. Drawing a arc as 4 centimeters. So CD also completed. Now the remaining is what is the AD? AD, what is the length of the AD? 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters radius considered. So AD. So now taking A as a center, I am cutting this arc. So taking A as a center, cut that arc. Yes, we got the intersecting point. Name this one as ABC and this one is D. Now simply join A to D. Measure is what? 6 centimeters. And join C to D. How much is it? C to D? 4 centimeters. So this is the required quadrilateral ABCD. So again once we'll see what are the steps here. So given quadrilateral ABCD with these measurements. So first what we done here? We done a rough sketch of a quadrilateral with this given measurements, right? Then what is the first step we done here? We drawn a line segment AB as a base. AB as 4.5 centimeters. In second step AB completed. In second step BC as 5.5 centimeters, right? Now taking B as a center, we draw a arc first. So BC is completed as 5.5 centimeters. So then we are going to construct the diagonal. AC is a diagonal here. Now taking A as a center, taking 7 centimeters radius, I am cutting this previous arc. So we got an intersecting point, this one as C. So joining the diagonal first A to C as 7 centimeters. Then we join B to C as 5.5 centimeters. Okay. Now then we are going to construct CD arc. So measure 4 centimeters the radius, take C as a center, draw a arc. Then last one AD, 6 centimeters. Take A as a center, 6 centimeters the radius, cut those arc. So we will get an intersecting point, name it as a D. So join A to D and C to D, we will get the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, this is the first question, 3.2. Okay, yes. Then second one, B1. So second one, think about B. So what's the question? Quadrilateral PQRS with a PQ 3.5 centimeters, QR 4 centimeters, RS 5 centimeters, PS 4.5 centimeters and QS 6.5 centimeters. Okay. So again same, given a diagonal, 4 sides with a diagonal. Okay. Come on, first we will draw a rough sketch here. So first PQ as a line segment base, PQ as how much here? 3.5 centimeters. Then given Q2R how much given? Q2R as how much? 4 centimeters. Then what is the diagonal given here? QS is a diagonal. How much is it? 6.5. So from here you have to draw a diagonal as 6.5 centimeters. So PQ, this is our S. And R to S given as 5 centimeters and P to S given as 4.5 centimeters. And the diagonal is the length of 6.5 centimeters. So this is a rough sketch. Okay. So now based on this rough sketch we have to construct a quadrilateral here now. So first what is the basis here? Basis PQ 3.5 centimeters. So taking with the help of ruler, drawing a line segment of 3.5 centimeters. PQ is how much? 3.5 centimeters. So PQ is completed. Then Q2R, how much is there here? 4 centimeters. So measure 4 centimeters radius, 4 centimeters with the Q. Now Q as center, drawing how much here? 4 centimeters. Okay. Then to construct this diagonal, so now we have to draw a ray as a 4.5 centimeters first. Okay. Now drawing a 4.5 centimeters with the help of center P. Now measure first 4.5 centimeters radius here. 4.5. Taking a P as a center, drawing a arc. Okay. Now, what is the diagonal is here? Q to S, P, Q, R and S. So, Q to S diagonal we had to draw. That means with taking Q as center, we had to cut this arc. So, what is the radius given as? 6.5 centimeters. Measure 6.5 centimeters radius first. Okay. Now, taking QS now. Taking Q as a center, taking Q as a center, I am cutting that S. Yes, we got the intersecting point. So this is what S. Nothing but a diagonal. We got the diagonal. Now joining a Q to S first. 6.5 is there exactly. This is what length is 6.5 centimeters. Diagonal. Now joining from P to S. P to S, what is the length? 4.5 centimeters, right? 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Now PQ we have to get R. So what is the remaining length here? R to S how much is it? 5 centimeters. Measure 5 centimeters radius. Now construct from R to S. Nothing but taking S as a center, I am cutting this arc. Yes, so we got the intersecting point PQ, and this one is what? R. So simply now join Q to R. The measure is 4 centimeters and join from S to R. What is the measure? 5 centimeters. Yes, it is the required quadrilateral PQRS. Once again, we'll see the construction steps here. So first, what we done? We drawn a rough sketch here first, right? So with the given measurements. Then we drawn a line segment PQ as a base, 3.5 centimeters. Then taking Q as a center, we drawn a arc to the R, and with center P, we drawn a arc to the S. To construct a diagonal, we are taking the length of 6.5 centimeters. Taking Q as center, we cut this arc. So we got an intersecting point, we named it as S. Joining Q to S and P to S. To get R, measure the length of 5 centimeters, take S as a center, cut this arc, you will get the R. Just join R to S and Q to R, then you will get the required quadrilateral P, Q, R and S. Okay, this is about the first two sums. So here only we will do the remaining ones also. So two are completed, right? Now third one. Third one is what the question is: construct a parallelogram ABCD with AB 6 centimeters, CD 4.5 centimeters, and BD 7.5 centimeters. So what is given here? Quadrilateral ABCD. So what is the property of a quadrilateral? Nothing but we know that opposite sides are parallel and equal in length, right? So first we will try to draw a rough sketch here first. See, so suppose take AB as a length 6 centimeters. Okay, then he given CD. ABCD means these two are parallel, right? Yes. So this one we are considering as what we will consider as BC. Okay, because AB, if you draw a parallelogram ABCD, you know AB is parallel to CD, nothing but these two length will be equal, right? So these two is given, so that means we are changing this one and we are considering as a BC. Okay, then these two sides are equal. Okay, that's why we are considering this one as a BC. So BC, the length is how much? 4.5 centimeters, and given diagonal is a BD 7.5 centimeters. So this is also 6 centimeters and this is what 4.5 centimeters, because we know opposites are parallel and equal in length, and the diagonal BD is given as ABCD and B2D is given as 7.5 centimeters. Okay, so this is the rough sketch. Okay, so now based on this one, we'll construct here the parallelogram ABCD. Okay, first, what is the first step? Take the base as how much here? AB. What is the length given is 6 centimeters. So first I am drawing a line segment as 6 centimeters. So nothing but this is what? AB is what? 6 centimeters. Okay, then AB after, now just I am considering AB sum with C and D. So taking length BC as 4.5 centimeters, taking a 4.5 centimeters radius, 4.5 centimeters, drawing arcs with center B and as well as A. Because these two are parallel side, so at a time I am drawing here. Okay, because these two are 4.5 and 4.5. Now we completed this AB and BC. Okay, then now what we had to do? We had to construct a diagonal as a 7.5 centimeters radius. Okay, now consider 7.5 centimeters radius. Okay, BC means not BD. So BD, ABCD. So with center B, I am cutting this arc. Okay, so taking B as center, I am cutting this arc. Okay, we got the intersecting point. So this one has what? C. Now join from A to C first. A to C's length is what? 4.5 centimeters. We got 4.5 centimeters. And we got a diagonal. So diagonal is what? DC, sorry, D, right? This one, sorry. BD is what? 7.5 centimeters. Okay, now we know AB is parallel to, AB is parallel to CD. That means this measure is 6 means between C and D also the same length. How much? 6 centimeters. So measuring this 6 centimeters again same here. Now taking a D as a center, cutting this arc. Yes, we got the intersecting point A, B, this one is C. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now join simply B to C. So how much we should get? 4.5, because AD is parallel to BC. Joining this one, yes, we got exactly 4.5 centimeters. And now join C to D. Yes, 6 centimeters is there. So this is our required parallelogram ABCD. Okay, once again we will see the construction here. So first what we done a rough sketch with the given measurements as a parallelogram. Then we drawn a line segment AB first with 6 centimeters. Then taking A as a radius, drawing a arc, how much? 4.5 centimeters, and taking B as the center, drawing a arc as 4.5 centimeters. Now we are drawing a diagonal, taking a B as a center, I am cutting this arc as D. Okay, joining from B to D and A to D. So this is 4.5 centimeters and the diagonal is 7.5 centimeters. And we need to cut the arc C. So we know opposites are parallel. Taking a DC as a 6 centimeters radius, cutting this arc, and we are naming as C. Joining from D to C and B to C, we got the required parallelogram. Okay, so clearly we don't know here AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD and equal in the length. Okay, this is about C question. Now D. The question is what? Rhombus. Rhombus nice with NI 4 centimeters and IE 5.6 centimeters. So nothing but we know rhombus means adjacent sides are equal. Nothing but all sides are equal, and given here diagonal is what? How much length given? 5.6 centimeters. So first we'll draw a rough sketch here. So we know that all sides are equal in a rhombus. Nothing but just I am drawing like a square here. Nothing but A, B, C, D. Nothing but 4, 4, 4, 4. All are 4 centimeters only, right? Then a given diagonal. What is the length of the diagonal given? Sorry, given nice. N, I, C, E. Nice. And given diagonal is what? I to E. How much? 5.6 centimeters. Okay, so just think this one, not there. So NICE, nice is a rhombus given as sides 4 centimeters and diagonal as I to E 5.6 centimeters. Okay, now we'll consider this one. So taking base as what? N to I 4 centimeters. NI has 4 centimeters. Okay, now then now taking N as a center, we should draw how much? Again 4 centimeters only, because we know all sides are equal in a rhombus. 4 centimeters. Taking N as a center, drawing a 4 centimeters arc, and again with the help of center I, again drawing a 4 centimeters. Okay, because of equal in length. Then what is the diagonal is there here? IE is the diagonal. How much? 5.6 centimeters. Now we had to construct a diagonal 5.6 centimeters with center I. So take measure first 5.6 centimeters radius. There. Then take, now consider the center what here? I. So we got this arc. NICE, because I2 is the diagonal, so we got the intersecting point naming as E. Now joining here, now joining E to I first. How much? 5.6 centimeters. Then joining N to E is what? 4 centimeters. Okay. Now what we have to get? We have to get C. Okay, now taking you can take E as a center. Now taking E as a center, I am cutting this arc. So nothing but the measure is what again? 4 centimeters only, right? So taking E as a center, I am cutting this arc. So we got the intersecting point naming as C. So we got the required NIC is required rhombus. So just first join N to I to C first. How much? What's the length we got again here? 4 centimeters. And join E to C. We got again 4 centimeters. So all sides are equal. We got the all sides are equal. We got the required rhombus NICE. Okay, once again we'll see the construction steps here. So first what we done? We draw a rough sketch here first. Rough sketch with the given measurements as a rhombus. Then we constructed a line segment NI as 4 centimeters as given. Now taking N as center, we drawn 4 centimeters arc, and again with the center I, we drawn again 4 centimeters arc. Okay, then we are going to draw a diagonal. So taking I as a center, taking 5.6 centimeters radius, so we cutted here E. So we got the diagonal as 5.6 centimeters. Then taking E as center, taking 4 centimeters radius, cutting C, we got the C. Then joining E to C and I to C, we got the required quadrilateral nice. Okay, so this is a four questions which we are having. So one example also there. So that is what construct a quadrilateral ABCD with a given side AB as 4 centimeters, BC is 3.6 centimeters, CD 4.2 centimeters, AD 4.8 centimeters, AC as a 5 centimeters. So this is a example question. Okay, so once we will try to construct this one also, it will be complete total. So here we will go. What is the measure he given? First AB as a 4 centimeters, taking base as a 4 centimeters, AB line segment how much? 4 centimeters. Then B to C how much is there? 3.6 centimeters. So 3.6 centimeters measure, taking B as a center, drawing a arc. So we completed what now? AB and BC. Now what is diagonal is there? ABC. AC is a diagonal. How much is there? 5 centimeters. Now measure 5 centimeters radius first. 5 centimeters. Taking A as a center. Taking A as a center. Cutting this arc. So we got the intersecting point. So this one is what? C. Okay. So now simply join A to C first. Think what it's a diagonal. The 5 centimeters. Now join B to C. So nothing but how much it will be? 3.6. Yes. This is 3.6 centimeters. So we completed diagonal also. Now we have got CD and AD. So CD, what is the length of here? CD having a 4.2 centimeters, measuring 4.2 centimeters radius. Now taking C as a center, drawing a arc here. Drawing a arc. Now we have to construct AD length to cut this arc to get the D. AD how much given as 7.8 centimeters. So just we'll action this one somewhat. Now AD given as a length how much? 4.8 centimeters. 4.8 centimeters measure. Taking A as a center, I am cutting the previous arc to get a D. So we got the intersecting point and naming as D. Now simply join A to D is what is 4.8 centimeters. This is what 4.8 centimeters, and join C to D. C to D. What is the length we got here? It's 4.2. This is 4.2 centimeters. So this is our required quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, just again taking length as so for this one we done directly. We not draw a rough sketch, right? So we done directly here. So length AB as 4 centimeters. Then we took BC length as 3.6 centimeters and we draw an arc. And to draw a diagonal, we are taking length as AC. From A center, we are cutting that arc. We got the diagonal. So joining from A to C and B to C, we got 5 centimeters and 3.6 centimeters. To construct D, so first I am drawing a arc with the measure of CD as 4.2 centimeters. Drawing a arc. So to get D, now the remaining length AD measuring as 4.8 centimeters, taking A as center, I am cutting this previous arc. So we got an intersecting point, naming it as a D. Joining from A to D and C to D, we got the required quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So this is about exercise 3.2. Okay. So this is the rule of 3 sides and a diagonal. Okay. So we completed here successfully. Second one also. So I hope you got it. If anybody had doubt means you can comment in a comment section. So I will try to solve that one. So today is we completed exercise 3.2. This is up today. I hope you got it. Thank you so much.